In this video, I will show you how to download, install, and play Chordosis on your PC. Firstly, we need to go to itch.io. Itch is a great site to get all the indie games. In site, click on Search and type Chordosis. In drop-down menu, click on the game. It will lead to download page. I will leave link in description to this site. As we can see, this game only works on Windows, so if you're using Mac, like me, you can't play it. In this site, we have all the information about this game. Scroll down and read about the game, about all the features. In the page bottom, you can download demo versions on the game or click on Buy Now button. In new pop-up, you need to pay at least minimum required amount, or you can pay more to help out game developer. After you complete payment with PayPal or card, you will be able to download full game. Next, part 1 will show with another itch game because I don't want to buy it when I can't even play it with my Mac. After you pay, you will be redirected to similar page to this. Click on download button and downloading will start. Download process will start after locating downloaded file and unzip it. If you can unzip it, download WinRAR. Now go to the folder and double-click on Game Launcher. Game will start. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, give it thumbs up and consider helping me reach 1,000 subscribers so I can make more tutorials. Thanks for watching.